Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that calculate the empirical formula of the compounds below, whose percentages have been given. Okay, then there is this one, and there is this one. Okay, let's start with one. Okay, yes, what do we have in one? You have lead, you have nitrogen, and you have oxygen. Okay, and what do you do? You put the percentages. Okay, yes, for lead it is 62.5. For nitrogen it is 8.45, and for oxygen it is 29.05. Okay, that's what we have. Next, we divide by the atomic mass. Yeah, atomic mass number. Okay. Yes, for lead, it is 62, which is our percentage, and the atomic mass number for lead, it is 207. Then for nitrogen, whose percentage is 8.45, you divide it by its atomic number, which is 14. For oxygen, which is 29.05, you divide it with this atomic number, which is 16. Okay. From there, what do we get? Here we have 0.3. Here we have 0.6. And here we have 1.81. Okay. Yeah, next step, you divide by the smallest. Divide by the smallest. Normally we do this one to get whole numbers because these are the ratios already. So what is the smallest of all this? It is 0.3. So you say 0.3 divide by 0.3. Then you have 0.6 divide by 0.3. Then you have 1.81 divided by 0.3. And what do you get here? Here you have 1. Here you have 2. And here you have 6. Yeah, then from here, what do we know? This is what we know. We know that lead, which is Pb, is 1, and this is it. And nitrogen, which is N, is 2. And oxygen, which is O, is a 6. Yeah, this is what we have. Okay, this one is in line with the normal formula which we know, which is lead nitrate, which is Pb NO3 2. When you analyze this one, this is what we see. We are seeing that lead is 1, as you see it here. Nitrogen is 2 because this entire radical is multiplied by 2. So nitrogen is 2 and oxygen is 3 times 2, which is 6. Yeah, then we come to number 2, this one. Okay, what do we know? We know the elements which are present. We have aluminium and oxygen. Next step is to quote the percentages. Okay, so what are they? The percentage for aluminium is 53.0. Meanwhile, that for oxygen is 47.0. Next step, we divide with atomic mass or mass number. And what's the atomic mass number for aluminium? It's 27. So we are going to have 53.0 divided by 27. And that one for oxygen is 16. So we are going to have 47 divided by 16. Okay. Yeah, what do we get out of this? We get 1.96. And this side we get 2.94. So what is the next step? You divide by the smallest. And what is the smallest here? The smallest is here, 1.96. So it's going to be 1.96 divided by 1.96. Okay. And this is going to be 2.94 divided by 1.96. Okay. Yeah, what we get out of here is going to be 1. And what you get out of here is going to be 1.49, which is approximately 1.5. Yes. Yeah, so here we have a challenge that after dividing with the smallest, we have failed to get the whole numbers. So when you reach this scenario where this one is 1.5 or 2.5, or where this number is not close to a whole number, what we normally do, we multiply by 2. After that, what do we get? This one becomes 2 and this one becomes 3. Okay. Yes. So after achieving the whole numbers, then we come here and we are saying the compound is aluminium, and aluminium is 2. It comes as a subscript. Then oxygen, and oxygen is 3. Yeah. Now this happens to be the empirical formula, which is also the chemical formula. Actually, in most of the cases, empirical formula is the same as the chemical formula. So this is aluminium oxide, and this is its chemical formula. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB. physical sciences. Silver Bullet with me, Richard here. We urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like. Yes, we believe we are simply the best. See you next time. Bye bye.